Hola, ¿cómo estás? This is New Westminster. There's a train. Oops. Cars. Oh no, what? 1 second. Alright, so there's the train. And yeah. So this is an old horn area, so it won't blast out its horn. And we hear the revving. So let's just see when the gates go down. Yep. Strong lights, baby. Oopsies. Oops, focus my camera. There we go. Oh no. Don't beat the train. There it is. Oh yeah, I can see them in face coverings, by the way. This is a CNSD40-2, 5415. They never said about the bell, so yeah. Hello! Hi! We're Railfanning! This is actually a it's a GF638C. So yeah. That is short though. I like to call a Canadian street run, although it's not even a street run. Yeah, it's short. Oh yeah, this is the Lulu Island. This is the Lulu Island subdivision. Yeah, it's the Lulu Island subdivision. I bet I can see the end. I mean, come on, they never said anything about bells or anything, so yeah. Oh yeah, it's not even that short though. There's a SkyTrain. There's a SkyTrain right there. The thick CN logo boxcars. It's the end already. Dude, it's the end. It's the end of the train. It's the end. GATX. And another GATX now. Alright, and if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.